So students, now it's time to revise question answers of chapter 5th, a different kind of school. So in question number first, you have to arrange these sentences in a correct order according to the story. Like in the story, the first sentence should be according to story, let's go for a little walk. So in the same manner, you have to arrange them in a proper sequence. Now answer the following questions. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? So, what was the reason? Because of that, the writer visited the, or we can say the narrator visited the school. So, actually, he had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. He had heard lot of things about the school, about a unique kind of school. It was a unique kind of school, that is why he went there. What was the game that every child in the school had to play? So the game that every child had to play was that every child, every each child of the school has to play, has to perform like a blind, like a lame, because there was a injured day, there was a lame day, there was a blind day. On those days they have to perform like particular title of the day. Like if the name of the day was blind day, so all the student has should behave like a blind person. So that was the game. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day. Complete the line. Which was the hardest, and why was it the hardest? So, line was that each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. So, the dumb day was the hardest because the children mouth could not be bandaged. You can do everything, but you can't able uh, to stop uh, children's mouth. Okay, to bandage children's mouth, it is very hard to stop them to talk. Okay, so that was the uh, we can say that was the hardest day to keep them silent. What was the purpose of these special days? So as I told you in the revision video and at the time of explanation also, the purpose of those special days was to teach the children thoughtfulness, to make them more responsible, to realize them about the responsibilities. So these days make the children appreciate and understand misfortune by making them uh, share in the misfortune of others. So by these type of activities they can learn their responsibilities, they can understand the misfortune of others. So that was the purpose of these those special days. Okay student,